Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh with tips for voice actors from VoiceOver Extra. There's a fine line between a character who thinks they know what others are thinking and a character who doesn't allow their audience to figure out anything for themselves. Let's say that your character is a she. Maybe she's a bit delusional about her effect on others and can't see that everyone actually hates her. Make your character a raging hypocrite. Give her a strong inner voice that mocks everyone around her. Is a teenage character going to say it's dark out, or is she going to describe the way darkness oppresses the landscape? Without a bit of character development, you'll be nothing more than a narrator. Join me for Mojo Friday on the first and third Friday of each month for tips for voice actors from VoiceOver Extra. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's time to get your mojo working.